And here's my partner.
Agapito A. Francisco Jr. We are performing the second project called H Bridge, and it will be discussed by Ron Mendoza, my co-partner.
Maybe you know what is an H-bridge already.
Yes.
H-bridge, for just a review, H-bridge is just a circuit where you can control the polarity or
That's
the rotation of the dynamo without physically changing
Yes.
its terminal. You can you can rotate the dynamo counterclockwise and
Yes.
clockwise. Here's the circuit of H-bridge. As you can see, we have a diode for safety,
Yes.
and here's the PNP transistor.
That's right.
Two up here, where its base is here, emitter is up. This two transistor is an NPN transistor with its collector, base, and emitter. So also this collector and emitter. Here we have 10 ohms resistor for the current to
Yes.
not destroy our component, and just enough that it can work and not small enough that our component will be destroyed. Here is we have a 5-volt supply, and the fan is here is ground, and we are testing it to a basic code. As you can see, here we have a clockwise rotation, stop, and counterclockwise rotation. Here's the clockwise. And also a custom control by automatically sending pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, or a logic 1, wherever you like. Busing, can you...
Yes, we are connecting the pin 1. This is in the read. 1, pin 2. Okay. We are going to take the pin 3. This is
our pin 3 is the data 6. Pin data 7 is our pin 4.
Yes, this is right.
Pin 1 is our data
Yes.
4, and pin 2 is data 5.
Okay, we are performing now.
And here's our supply. We are supplying this of about 5 volts. As you can see, for testing the power supply, if you can get the 5 volts. You can see it's 5.3, and it is approximately 5 volts. So it's good enough for our dynamo. We're connecting now the power supply to the ground.
Yes.
And the 5 volts to the 5 volt terminal.
That's right.
And as I click the clockwise button, the motor is turning at clockwise rotation.
Yes.
You cannot appreciate it because it's too fast, so I will make the slower. So you can see it is clockwise. Okay. And as I click the brake, sending 0 to the pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, and pin 4 are logic 0. Stop.
Yes.
And I click the counterclockwise. It rotates counterclockwise. As you can see, if I move it slower, it will go clockwise.
Yes.
See that? As I click the brake, it will stop. You can see here that when I click the clockwise rotation, it gives data 2 and data 3 a logic 1, which corresponds to data 6 and data 7 having a logic 1.
Yes.
And 0 for stop. And counterclockwise, if I click counterclockwise, it gives a logic. It's like looking at, you're breaking the center of the parallel port. This is its indicator, and here is where the source is coming out.
Yes.
And there's a custom control here. You can customize it if you want sending a pin 1 with logic 1 and pin 2 logic 1. What will be the reaction of the dynamo? here, pin 3 and pin 4. Overall, there is a 16 combination of these. You can experiment it and what happened to the each bridge. And Bossing, you have anything to say?
It is the subject called computer interfacing with the course code ECE 110.
And
And
that's all.
that's all.
Thank you. See you.